Chili here, and we're just arriving at Ducati Sanford. The V4S that I ordered, the 2025, isn't here yet. But the full Acra Undertail exhaust did show up, and we're going to do an unboxing.
Box, 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 box.
That's a bonus. This 25 V4S is either very liked or it's very hated. I really want to like the way it looks. I really, really do, because I already bought it. There's something about the front end in the pictures. I haven't seen one in person, but there's something about the front end that's really bothering me. Ducati Sanford called me up yesterday and said, Chili, come on, check it out. Let's do an unboxing, because we haven't seen one yet. So we are arriving right now to go check it out, and the bike will be next. I think it's going to look fantastic on this new 25 V4S. Let's go take a look. I think your V2 is more your style.
Maybe this one?
Yeah. This is how you get her to get another bike. Look at you. Oh yeah. That's the V2. That's like more your style too. Oh. Hey, make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out when the new V4S arrives. It should be here within a month, I'm guessing.
Here, we got something cool for you today.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. Thanks for calling me yesterday.
Absolutely.
That was
I figured
real...
it was a little bit too special to not at least take a peek at.
Is
Sure.
no one seen in person yet?
No
kidding.
No, we haven't even opened the box or anything. I see David kind of pulled it out. I'll bring it over.
This is really cool. It is the first one. No one's seen it. So cool. Here it comes. Yeah. All pumped up to see a box. An expensive box.
Yeah, I was going through my orders and I was like, there's no way that thing's here. And then sure
That,
enough, it
yeah,
was.
because you know what? We just ordered it too. That's really cool.
How are you, bro?
I'm
Congrats,
doing-
man.
I'm
You're
doing
the
good.
first one, that I think, anywhere to see this exhaust, except for the guys in Italy and stuff when they got to see the bike. So we
How
haven't
cool-
even seen it yet.
How cool
We haven't
is
seen
that?
it yet. Yeah,
How
it's
cool
pretty
is that?
Kyle's the man. He's the one that
Yeah,
got
he
it for
called
you.
me yesterday. I appreciate that was such a bonus phone call. We ordered this what, 3 weeks ago?
Yeah. We got it before the bike.
That's
I figured, how could you not be excited about it?
All the pieces are in there. I don't know how they do it, but it's just like you do
Oh,
anything.
no
if you
kidding.
take something out of the box, you can never get it back right.
I didn't think of that.
Yeah, I didn't either until just now. So we could do like just a preview right now, and then
Take a peek, look in there.
Yeah, if you want.
Let's go take a
All right,
peek out of
let
it.
me grab some scissors.
Oh, box in a box.
Box, box, box.
It is a prettier box, yes.
Oh, this will be cool because you'll be able to put it right back in the box
Theoretically.
Yes, theoretically. Oh my gosh.
I mean, this is one of the main reasons is the fact that it's under warranty and Ducati's
Oh, yeah,
backing it.
really
That's
outside.
huge.
Their tunes.
And you guys are going to do the whole tune and everything.
Absolutely.
Oh, this is the carbon.
So it actually is carbon, or is
Oh,
it
yeah.
just black?
No, that's carbon.
You can tell by the weight on that.
Yeah. Oh, it's super light. So let's see.
How much weight savings am I going to get from the old
17,
exhaust?
18 pounds,
I
right?
think that's what it claims.
17-pound weight savings?
Those catalytic converters are so
That is
nowadays.
huge
Wow,
right
look
there.
at that.
Oh, bro,
I told
this
you
is
it's
gonna
not
be
looking
so.
the same.
This is gonna be so cool because I have the carbon fiber winglets.
Yeah.
and I did the carbon
Yeah.
fiber. Ah,
This is
man.
beautiful. This is beautiful.
Look at
This is
that.
the first time we've seen this.
Yeah, absolutely.
I thought it was
the
gonna. I
bike
thought it
that's
was gonna
gonna
be.
go
I
on.
thought it was gonna be just like the black matte black.
No, this is.
Oh, it's
no
gonna be carbon
joke.
fiber. It's gonna match the other carbon fiber.
Yeah,
It's
you
gonna
did
be.
good, my friend. You did really good.
Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Oh man, I'm getting fired up.
So it really
Yeah.
just shows you how involved these technicians
yes.
have to get. Because what exhaust system do you know? It comes with a couple hoses or who knows what. You have to leave that up to the techs who got to take
I
the
think
bike
didn't
apart.
Cal, didn't you ask me if I was gonna install it myself?
We have people that do it, but it's very rare.
Well, there's one part
Oh.
that we want to see.
I know exactly what it is.
So-
It's a can.
Yeah,
Be
we
real
got.
here. We know,
Yeah.
we know what we're looking for.
Yeah.
And the amount of stuff.
It's so packed
Oh,
in there.
former
wow.
got the
air
BM.
filter.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
your filter.
bonus.
Oh my gosh. You know where it's at,
So it's
right?
not just, you're not just getting a exhaust system. A lot of people don't realize how many factory electronic parts and tunes and things like that. do
So
you
this is
actually
coming
get
with the
your
tune
bike.
to
Yes, sir.
stage
Yes,
two. Is
sir.
it?
It's called an up map, and it's made with Ducati and Akrapovic.
Okay. Now, is this basically?
This is it.
Oh,
This
here
is
we
what
go.
we wanted to see.
One part.
Let's
Is this
just do
gonna-
one side? Let's just do one
Okay.
side.
Is this going to delete the European spec or the American spec deleted horsepower that initially?
So yeah, because that catalytic converter is holding everything back.
That's what it is.
So
Yeah.
you hold it.
Opening the box is one thing.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut one side. All right.
Are you ready for this?
Yep. Oh my god. Oh, it's actually short. That means the tail section's short.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. I thought it was longer. It's actually short. It's so hard to see in pictures.
How light that.
You know how cool this is going to
Yeah.
It's going to sound,
It's gonna-
and I
oh,
want
yeah.
the extra power too. See, now I'm getting excited for real.
I would suggest if you're gonna do more track days, leave the baffles in.
Ever see the
This looks awesome.
The honeycomb.
warnings?
Yeah.
Do not remove noise reduction inserts. Oh man.
You did good, my friend. You did
I think
good.
this is going to
Really
look
went
cool.
up.
I'm
me grab some
surprised. I am surprised about. I thought it was going to be just the matte black is what it looked like in the configurator.
Yeah, I mean when you buy something like this, they go the whole nine. And
I'm
it's like
glad.
your pile of parts.
That's why I did this. If I'm going to do it, I'm going to do. I go full send.
It doesn't get any better though. That's the thing.
Oh, this is gonna look awesome, and that's gonna sound awesome. And the weight savings, the horsepower, the torque,
And all under a factory warranty. You gotta be kidding me.
that's the main reason. If I buy these bikes, the warranty's huge because if something goes wrong, I just bring it back.
And it's funny, you're still unsure about the front end. And honestly, I think I'm excited about it because I had that same exact thought about the new Monsters.
Did you?
When they first came out, I was like, why are they going this route? It's not very traditional Ducati. But now that I look at it and I see them driving down the road, I'm like, that's a good looking bike. Especially their SPs with the colorway that they have on there, the maroon, red, and black.
Yeah, that's cool.
And I know that once I see these new 25s, it's going to grow on me, and it's not going to take too long. That's for sure.
I'm really excited about the display and electronics too. Let me know what's all about this exhaust.
Obviously, the weight reduction, as we saw from David, claims of upwards of 17 pounds. When you get rid of that.
Huge.
And you felt just holding one of the main portions of it. You could barely even tell it's in your hands. But that's with the sound dampener in there, the baffle's still in, so it gets even lighter than that if you decided to go for it. As you saw when we were taking the whole thing apart, all those little intricate pieces with the electronics and the aftermarket air filter, I say aftermarket, but it's from Ducati. It's a race filter, race full exhaust system, with the biggest thing has to be that factory Ducati tune. So
Yeah.
you get a full-blown race tune with a massive horsepower increase, massive weight reduction, while keeping your warranty. The amount of things that you would have to go through for most other bikes to take it to some shop to reflash the ECU, which just completely ruins your warranty, that's part of what you're actually paying for. Not only is it the top-notch quality Akrapovic exhaust, but the tune to go with it. So in order to do all those things properly, it runs you about that much money anyways. But you're doing it, keeping it in the Ducati family. You're basically paying a little bit extra just to keep that warranty in hand.
The warranty, like we mentioned earlier, is my main concern.
Yeah. Well, you want the baddest bike on the planet that will vouch for. I mean, that's what it
Yeah,
takes.
that's what it's all
You know?
about. If anything goes wrong, I just bring it back. That's then and the peace of mind is huge.
Yeah, that's
Because
what
I've
it's all
thrown
about.
on cars and bike, all the bikes I used to have. I used to throw in all kinds of Vance and Hines.
Yeah.
I remember my Kawasaki's. I threw Muzzy.
Yeah. That's
I used to
yeah.
throw the old
Muzzy pipe on it. Yep,
Yeah, I
very
had
familiar.
the ZX7R back in 1990. I had.
Oh, the old ZX12, ZX9, ZX7,
I had
some unique
I
bikes from
I
that
had
era.
all those, and I had
Yeah.
She remember. My wife remembers these. I had the very first GSXR 1100.
Yeah.
It had the Katana engine in it. I threw a Vance and Hines on that, but I absolutely fell in love with this Ducati. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna trade the other one in.
Yeah, and especially because it is a completely different animal with the single-sided swing arm and that kind of reminiscent body style of what Ducati was. But you're going to have what Ducati was at their peak and then where they're going as well.
See, the future is what it's all about, and the bigger display, the more electronics, is what it's all about.
I like the mixed opinions on the new look, personally.
Yeah,
Because I can't
it's-
wait to see everybody who's kind of on the fence about it to come full circle and be like, I love this bike. I can't wait to get mine.
I really want to like it, but there's something about the front end.
So you customize it, pull those mirrors off there, get some nice cool custom stuff, but just way more improved with the Ducati spin on it. And I
Yeah.
like that new swing arm is growing on me a lot. Look at the pictures. How it's just hollowed out that perfect little triangle.
I
on
do
the
I do
inside.
like that. I think that looks cool.
It's
And
gonna take about, I don't know, 30 seconds to grow on you once you see that thing.
I think it is too. And you know the exhaust. I thought when I saw the configurator, I thought it was going to be the matte black.
Yeah.
And when we pulled it out, and it's going to be the same carbon fibers that I ordered
Yeah.
for the bike. It's going to
They
look
don't
sick.
shortchange you. If you decide to
That's
buy
gonna
that
look
bike,
really
they're gonna
cool.
take good care of you. And as you
That's-
saw, there's more and more parts coming out of there. You buy your normal exhaust, might come with some exhaust gaskets, some springs, and that's it.
No,
But
I can see why we didn't. We didn't want to open it all the way up because the whole thing was packed with
Yeah.
a lot, and it's
It-
expensive,
it's
but
jammed
it's
full.
going to be worth it. I think it's going to look really
it
cool.
makes the bike, in my opinion.
I think it does
It's a
too.
completely different animal.
I debated about getting the lower, and I think it's really cool. I ordered Cody helped me out, and we ordered some stickers that's going to go on like the Ducati Corsa on white on the black fairing,
Okay, awesome.
which I think is it'll break it up a lot.
Yeah.
I think because otherwise it's just
Yeah, and as you see it, and you do the walk around, little accent here, little accent there.
yeah.
you start to
I'm gonna
realize-
do that. In the middle section, the first day I track it, I might throw my numbers on there in black 77.
Yeah, why not? Do it, and not just a temporary sticker, so it always kind of be there. That
I
big
think-
front end is just asking for a number, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think that's going to be cool. Seeing that exhaust was huge.
Yeah.
That
Yeah, I'm
was
just
huge.
excited that things are rolling in instead of you taking the bike and then having to wait months and months and months just to be able to get it in. So now you know where your mind's at whenever the bike shows up. Okay, you got to get these miles on it so you can get this thing installed.
I expected to get this exhaust after the bike.
Yeah, most
I-
people would, 'cause
I did. That
they
was in
usually
my
do
mind.
A delayed release.
Yeah, that
They
was-
get the bikes out, hype everybody up, then start releasing parts. But it's a good thing about being one of the first people to jump in there and get ahead of the curve because you knew what you wanted, you knew the bike you wanted, you knew the parts that you wanted. You start submitting that order. For all I know, I mean, I'm not going to say it, but it could be the first one out. You know what I mean?
That
how
would
many
be-
other people have it sitting on their shelf right now? I don't think
Yeah,
very many.
we're gonna as soon as it comes in, we'll come in here. We'll film the bike in its red form, and then
Yeah.
go to town. We're gonna
It's an
go
awesome
ahead. And,
process when something just gets released. It's not like you're pre-ordering a bike that already exists and waiting for it to come in. This is a new bike that's not even out yet.
I'm getting pumped. I'm getting fired up. This is gonna be cool. The 24 look is still with the vents on the side. I just something about it, and it's my first Ducati
But
too.
that
So
took people a long time to grow on, It took people a little bit with the new V4s. And now people are obsessed with them. So when the 25 ones come out, we're just going to end up in the same boat again.
after Daytona, I'm beyond the way that bike handled. I mean, unbelievable. The power, and
Yeah.
it was the first time I got on it, right? And I've been, like I said, in cars a lot. On the banking, come out of the chicane. I was fast in the chicane.
Yeah.
At least I think I was. But I come out of the chicane, I think it was the second session. I finally just said, I was in my helmet, just third, fourth, fifth, and I'm going around international turn 4, 6. I said, just go all the way, baby. And I just freaking held on,
Yeah.
tucked, and I was behind the instructor, and we were up on top. And now that's the fastest I've ever gone on a
And
bike.
at Ducati, everything they produce means business, even from the bottom of their lineup. So if they're coming out with this 25 V4, they're not doing it just to do it. It's an improvement. And there's reasons why they made those decisions to go away from the single-sided swing arm for performance reasons. So if you're enamored with the performance that you're getting out of your 24 V4, imagine where you're going to end up with the 25 on your next track day and feel those improvements. It's
Yeah.
not, they didn't do it just to do it. They mean business, everything they produce.
I'll take anything that can help me. It has a braking that's built into the electronics, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
Which
sure.
is awesome. Yeah, but now I can just now it's good. I can just put my right foot up and not scrape you can see the steel scrapes on my shoes,
Yeah.
my boots,
Yeah.
my expensive boots.
It's intense when you start scraping foot pegs on a sport bike like that.
My legs were completely baked,
Yeah.
which I didn't expect, but that's what I learned. And I learned this in class, the proper body position,
Yeah.
which was honestly different what I learned in 1990 at the California Superbike School,
Yeah.
which I did when I was a kid.
These Ducati electronics are phenomenal. The ABS, you could ride home, you turn those things up all the way, ride home in a complete monsoon outside and feel safe. And that's just it's part of what it's about,
This is the 24 SP2. Because I did get the same carbon fiber winglets I ordered. We got the carbon fiber fender that's ordered. And we have the carbon fiber rear tail that's ordered. And today, we have the full titanium Acra exhaust. Hey, make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out when this new V4S arrives. Because I tell you what, that exhaust looks awesome. And I can't wait to put that on the new V4S 25 that's coming within a month. So subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, do all those YouTube things. Let's roll.